Welcome to another Digital.ai release and deploy demo. In today's video, we delve into three key integration services: creating and deploying static web apps, deploying Azure Bicep templates, and deploying container apps. Let's dive deeper into each of these services. We'll start with the creating and deploying a static web app by choosing the Static Web AppSec application in Digital.ai Deploy. This service is all about enabling the creation and deployment of static web applications on the Azure Cloud platform using Digital.ai release and deploy integrations. Now, what are static web apps? They're essentially web applications comprised of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files. These apps are perfect for showcasing content that doesn't require server-side processing. With this integration, we streamline the process, making it easier and faster to get your static web apps up and running on Azure. You can choose and update your configurations like associated service plan to use with specific location. You can choose your hosting plan and set up the URL for the repository of the static site along with target branch, if any. You can set up GitHub Actions API secrets by passing on token as a value. Next, let's check out the Deploying Azure Bicep templates. This service is a game changer for infrastructure deployment. It allows us to deploy infrastructure as code using Azure Bicep templates on the Azure Cloud platform, all through the Digital.ai deploy and release integration. Now, what exactly is Azure Bicep templates? They're essentially a domain-specific language for defining Azure Resource Manager templates in a concise and expressive syntax. With this integration, we can automate and streamline the deployment of our infrastructure, ensuring consistency and efficiency across the board. Finally, let's take a look at deploying container apps. This service enables us to deploy containerized applications on Azure Cloud using release and deploy integration. Containerized applications are packaged with all their dependencies into standardized units. With this, you get greater flexibility and efficiency in your deployment processes. Whether you're using Kubernetes or Docker Swarm, this integration ensures smooth deployments and management of your containerized applications on Azure. That's all we have for today. Thank you, everyone.